Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing STL Patreons for May 2023. This is part 7 of the video for this month. We do D&D, Warhammer proxy prints, figures, and any type of war tabletops and other terrain pieces as well that we do print and show you guys what's out there. And if there's ones that you want me to check out, put the name down below and I'll go check them out. And who knows, it might be the next video for that as well. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and let's get into it. We have Moid. We did collaboration last month for that channel. I did like 4 videos, painting videos for them. I don't know if they're doing one this month or not. To the fact that it's almost towards the end of the month, I didn't get any of the files for this month for it. We're doing more Voltan, I believe, another tank part as well. So this is the May release. We got more of the Voltan pieces for it. If you're going to use more of it, and we have, I think this from BattleTech rope. We have BattleTech for it as well. I do want to try it out. I have no one to play with. I have no one here that knows that plays it here in South Carolina for us. We have a couple battle techs as well. So there's a lot of little pieces, just letting you know. I wish that you make one solid piece. And there is a tank for it that you can get as well with Moy. It's really cheap. You can get the 6mm version of it and you can scale it up for $5, and the rest of it is, I think everything is like $10. And they do send it to you at My Mini Factory. So we have STL Creator Sampler. So this is basically, they give you like a free sample of what's out there, and you can go check them out in individual pieces as well. So we have Chaos Locks X3 is what comes out with it. I might get this just to get the warrior nuns, or a Battle of Sisters, but there's like different version of everything that's out here for it. We have my K. She does a lot of free ones, but she does a lot of paid ones as well. So we'll get a collaborating resin 3D print. No, the 7 Deadly Sins. I think this is reward poist. This actually looks pretty good. If we're doing like the 3 Deadly Sins, probably needs a better paint job. A majority of this, the color. I didn't use the live 3D model. We use the paints on the computer program. Just give it color and texture. This is what it looks like right now. For it, you get Gluttony. This is actual prints of it. Well, check her out and let me know how it works. I don't know if I'm going to get it because I have too many damn demons for it. We have Jesus, he just left. Dragon's Lake Miniature. It's like a hit and miss. It's like a Warhammer proxy for Age of Sigmar as well. Sometimes do D&D. Looks like he's printing Basilisk or a Salamander, their version of a Salamander. There's a Salamander for it. Everyone has their unique, I'm using a salamander that's from D&D, and this is one, looks like the one from Final Fantasy version of the salamander for it as well. And this is a war proxy as well. So you can get, lizard folks and stuff like that for your Age of Sigmar games. For that, Nutshell, a tier. I believe this is a figure one, and also D&D version as well. So we have the sexy little Red Riding Hood. If I print this, Ashley might just murder me for this. Different parts of it. Probably goes into fully nude as well. Scroll down, we got the Apocalyptic Girl. Probably good for like a Fallout game. If you do Fallout tabletop, have this turn her into a raider for that. And let me see if there's a little more. I don't think there's a little more for it. So sexy little writing ID could be for May. Looks like it. K10 figure. Okay, 10 figures, another figurine. Mostly I see movie and TV shows and so forth. And we have, see, movie category voting poll for June. June, we have Eris. I have no idea where he is from. It looks like he is from, oh, I don't really watch much movie. We got John Wick that he's working on. Have that as your D&D figure or any of your Warhammer, and they'll be like, oh shit, we're gonna die. Don't kill this dog. We have Unix fancy model as well. We got the bonus Starlight costume from Bad Boys. I should watch the last season of. I haven't watched the last season of those. Stephen O.V. Sculpt. Another figure as well. So we got sexy Hermione. And I think that's it. That'll be probably for May. Mythic Bull from RN Studio. And this month looks like Knights. And we have parts of the Orc. I ever played a game called Blood Bowl. I've seen it a lot. A lot of times there's a lot cheaper. A lot of times you could just use a lot of these for your actual figures for it. But, you know, if it could be elven girls and stuff, I might just get that for myself. But this one I want. This would be in June. A freaking humanoid. I don't know, is a fighter or a bard holding cupcakes. So yeah, so May preview. This is what we have for May for Volume 2. And next one is T'Challa STL collection. Does looks like they have nothing out for May. Hell Creator. We have Gwen from Spider Girl. Go. These are your old models you can get. These are all the old ones you can get right now for like $10. And we have Samus as well. So this is actually be a very good print. And you have your starters for it as well. I will get this just to print it. And oh my god, we're going to have Leon as a starter. Oh, make sure Ashley doesn't know about Leon. She beat 4. I haven't played 4 yet, for this matter. But yeah, this is going to be very fun to get and print everything else for that matter. So we have a bust. June release will be Assassin's Creed and Zelda. Next one is Broken Anvil. I don't know if they're doing any more prints, but they are selling paints, and I don't have the money for their paints, so I'm saving up for a May preview one, but I'm not going to pay. You know, that's one thing. It's like, if you wanted me to look at your minis, I would love to look at your minis, but if you don't show me what the minis are, I'm not going to buy it, because that's just, you know, redirection and stuff that you gotta waste your money on something that you don't know what you're really gonna get, or you gotta research and see what they're gonna get. So 3DE Rock Top Studio, we have I just want pictures. But if you're gonna have to watch videos, then sure, why not? This is Bay for it. That's what it is. We have a Merfolk, male Merfolk, and a Naga with a skeleton, with a squid body. But yeah, I already have those. Sorry, we have too many of those damn underwater creatures in my files. Anime Girls STL. We will be getting Moto Sexy version. Moto Final Look. That looks like this is the April one. Where is the May one? And it's locked. See? This is one thing, like, I don't understand. No, show us what it is. It helps out a lot. We may spend the money on it. Well, anyhow, that'll be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. I hope you do enjoy it. And yeah, let me know if there's any Patreons you want me guys to look at. And anyhow, take care, guys. Bye bye.